Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set a prototype in Figma. We will begin by understanding the fundamental purpose of prototyping, which brings your static designs to life. You will learn to easily locate and utilize the prototype panel, a crucial first step. Then, we will cover how to correctly select your design frames, preparing them for interactive connections. This foundational knowledge is key to building engaging user experiences. Next, let's connect your design elements. Simply drag the blue connection noodle from any object or frame to its intended destination. This creates the initial link. You will then choose an interaction trigger, such as on-click for a tap or while hovering for a mouse-over effect. Finally, select an action like Navigate to for screen transitions or Open Overlay for pop-ups, defining what happens next. Now, let's refine those interactions for a polished feel. You can define various animation types, from an immediate instant change to a smooth, smart animate transition. Adjust the animation duration to control the speed. For instance, setting it to 300 milliseconds provides a quick, crisp effect. Experiment with easing curves like ease in or ease out to give your animations a natural, fluid motion, enhancing the user's perception. Finally, it is time to see your prototype in action and gather feedback. Click the Present button located in the top right corner to launch your interactive design. Thoroughly test every interaction and user flow to ensure everything works as intended. Once satisfied, you can easily share a unique link to your prototype with colleagues or clients, allowing them to experience your design and provide valuable input.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.